So it's your boy Tay Bands, Daily Driven G's, back here with another video. But as you can tell, I already do got paddle shifters, but these are off of Nissan, not Infiniti. These are the ones that come on Infiniti. You could grab these on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. I got the whole set that comes with the sport cluster. Like, this is the regular one for regular models, but when you get the paddle shifters, as you can see right here, I had to cut the space, but on the sport one, it would have openings on the side to put the paddles. So yeah, about to go take this out real quick and put the correct ones. I'm gonna try to get as much recording as I can, but I don't got nobody else holding the camera for me, you know. First things first, I'm gonna just disconnect the I want to say sensor. What would you call it? The connection to move the steering wheel up and down, you know, because you're gonna have to move the steering wheel up and down to get to the stuff. But first things first, pull out this. It's gonna be a star head. Take that out. After you take that out, come from up top, take this part, come right here, take off this part, and then you're gonna need a 10mm to take out two little bolts that hold the paddle shifters inside the in place. I'm gonna try to record as I go. So yeah, you'll cut the car on. See if it let me. Nah, gotta cut it fully on. Cold start, y'all. Yeah, you gotta turn the steering wheel. Pop these little thingies out. Put it in your door so you don't lose it. Opposite side, pop this out. Yup, star head screwdriver. I'm gonna go get that out of my car real quick. Hope you have me engaging with my reels and stuff. I went viral the other day on Instagram and YouTube for having the whole setup as a G driver. But yeah, if you know, you know how I went to trade school to become a mechanic. So I'm my own mechanic. Always have my tools with me. It never hurts. Can help out people. Never know if you need help. Your friends need help, you know. And I don't race and stuff. I just drive my car and make it look good. So I don't gotta be having light stuff in my trunk. Like, I don't just race and stuff. If you know, Infiniti's stocks ain't really that fast, you know, but they decent. But yeah, those years of being young and dumb, just racing and speeding for no reason, is over with. You know, no shade to the ones who do though. But yeah, let's see if I could. Nope, I'm going to need. Oh, actually, I think I got an extension. Sorry, y'all, if I'm doing a lot of turning and stuff. I'm still trying to get accustomed to this whole YouTube thing, you know. But grab this. What I like about this Milwaukee thing, you can actually say if you was disabled, they made a way so you could take out the tool. Oh, let's see if it's gonna work. Psych. Wait. Oh, it worked. Yeah, you could take it off with one hand for disabled people who try to work on cars and work on construction and stuff. But let's see if this is enough length. That's what she said. Yeah, sturdy. Got it out. Watch where that go. Let's get the second one. Got that out. There we go. hell? You out, but you ain't out. There we go. Grab both of these. Put them right here. Don't lose those. After you do that, you loosen the top part like a sandwich. Pop out. Loosen the bottom part. So yeah, let me now disconnect this. Hold it like that. This thing on tight. Oh, actually, raise it all the way up. Make sure it's fully out. Make sure it's fully out and it's fully up before you disconnect this, because you don't want to keep putting it back and forth. That's out. Now the front part. Oh yeah, I forgot how I did this. I did some jerry rig. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, actually, I think I don't have to remove this, guys. This and this is the same exact thing. Whew. So, if you got it already, you actually don't have to remove this piece. Keep the same one, it's the same thing. But the bottom piece, this, you gotta remove, because as you can tell, I had to make some cuts and everything. But actually, since I already had cut and everything, I'm really about to just break it. Word. Don't be like me. I could do that because I don't need it no more. I'm taking it off completely. But like, if you need it still, yeah, you could just make some cuts and everything and make it work, you know. Let me see how I'm about to. New one about to go in. Let me take out these paddle shifters. I'm about to get these to my boy who got a Q50. So to take out the paddle shifters, you need a 10mm. Oh, I think I already had it in my pocket the whole time. Yes, I did. Nah, I'm gonna get a ratchet. So I don't think I got the length. Pause. Good job, Dante. So this is half inch. I need 3/8. I lied. This is 3/8. I need the 1/4. That's one thing I ain't gonna lie. One thing I really didn't master. The whole dimensions and everything. I just know one's big, one's in the middle, and one's small. But yeah, get on an angle. You know, left takes off. Well, depending on what kind of ratchet you got, because some be actually different. Take that out. Keep subscribing to me, guys. Give me some more content. Give me some more subscribers so I can actually make some money, so I can invest in my YouTube page and buy a GoPro or a nice little camera stand. Get a sturdy. Because I love to keep showing y'all content and stuff, you know. I can help out. That's one out. One completely out. Same thing on the opposite side. Can't lose that. Need that. Got it. Both your little bolts. Now you just turn the steering wheel. Take the paddle shifter out. Oh yeah, by the way, when you're installing the new ones, the connectors are just tucked in right here. Just take them out and connect them to the thing. So I'm gonna do that now. One is out. Two is out. Woo! The OGs now. So yes, you technically are supposed to put a bolt here and there, but I don't really got time for that. So I'm gonna just put the ones like I had last time right here. But if you want to do it the correct way, yeah, you put a bolt right here and then you put the bolt through there and just connect them as you go, so on. So the second one that right here. The under part. Oh, bugging. Connect them. One. Two. I actually think I'm gonna go in the house and go in my coat pocket and get the bolts that actually came with it, just to be safe, you know. But yeah, put this now. Yeah, perfect difference. Just went in mad smooth. But yeah, I'm about to go in the house and go get them bolts real quick. I'll be back. Alright, yo, we back. I went in the house to go and grab them bolts I was talking about. Oh, this is a clip. Yeah. Bolts go on the side right here. Tighten it up with a 10mm and extension. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Oh, gotta cut the car on. When it's there, nah, I gotta cut this shit on. Alright, why you looking? Yeah, you looking. What you looking at? Don't worry, guys. Downpipe's on the way. Should be here tomorrow, actually. Get the downpipes. Gets dirty.
That's your seat?
Yeah.
I just want to check something out on there, right?
You could look at it. I mean, that shit broken as fuck. I don't know.
Okay, I see.
What you looking at, but nah, they was plotting. If I ain't come back, they was gonna take that whole seat. Let me show y'all. This little bolt right here. I'm trying to hand thread it first. There we go. hand thread, then turn the steering wheel, connect the ratchet. Nice and tight. Extension fell. There we go. Hold up. My fault, y'all. Going back and forth. My fault. This shit don't want to tighten. There we go. Now give her one more turn down. Make sure she tight. Nice and tight. There we go. Power shifter's in. Now you just put everything back up nice together. You see? Go. There we go. That's one. Opposite side right here. It's like a little Lego. I ain't gonna lie. Gotta clean that. There we go. Nice fit, perfect fit, and it's the same color. That's why I was such a pain. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, it was a pain in the ass to find these in the right color. Everybody had the black ones. For some reason, they didn't make a lot of sports in this color trim. They made it in black, so it was mad hard to find the right color. But as soon as I saw them on Facebook Marketplace, oh yeah, I was on them. I was on them, texting a person every day almost. But shout out to that person, came in clutch. Got the right ones. I don't know why. All right, y'all. She complete. You just finishing little touches. One. Nope, wrong one. Put one. One. Two. Oh yeah, by the way, I ain't have to remove that thing. You can actually keep that if you're doing it my way. But yeah, that's how you put your Paddle shift is on. Go have fun, y'all. Drive safe. Be safe.